In Fullmetal Alchemist, Roy Mustang doesn't just create flames, he deconstructs the elements around them and reconstructs them into a reactive gas. In Python, we can do our own type of reconstruction. First, we'll create a variable called original string, and we'll assign a string of Flame Alchemist to it. We'll then print our original string out into the console using our F string, and now we have created our Flame Alchemist. If we want to change flame to fire, we're going to partake in a little equivalent exchange. So we'll go ahead and create a new variable, and we'll patch it through our variable of original string. We'll use the replace method, and we'll go ahead and say we want to replace flame with fire, effectively sacrificing flame for fire. We'll then go ahead and print our modified string through this using our print and F string so we can get to the console, and we have just changed flame to fire, sacrificing it and partaking in equivalent exchange. Let's dive a little deeper into the world of Python and show how our data also obeys a similar principle of equivalent exchange. So right here, we've actually defined a string called Flame Alchemist. This string now occupies a specific memory location, and you can think of this as preparation to our transmutation of our string down here, and think of it as Roy Mustang putting on his ignition glove before we can snap and use his flame alchemy. Then we're actually going to transmute our string by replacing the word flame with fire. And by doing this, we're actually making a brand new string. But what happens to our original string? Well, it's still there, it remains unchanged, but our reference or way of accessing it has shifted to the new string. We gain a new form, but in doing so, we lost our original reference. So let's just dive deeper into that and understand what's happening here. So we assign Flame Alchemist to original string. We then make a new string, assign original string to it. And this might be new to some of us, is that we're using the replace method. And the replace method is just a set of instructions to a block of code that allows you to run some operations on your object. In this case, our object is our string. And we're going to say we want to find the word flame inside our string and replace it with fire, and then print it back out so we can show Fire Alchemist. And this is just our way of equivalent exchange. Our original reference is still here, but the way we're accessing it is now completely different. Remember, just like in Alchemy, where there are costs to every gain, our Python operations too come with their own set of exchanges. We didn't lose our data, but we did lose our immediate reference of a way of accessing it. And this really ensures a balance is maintained, resonating with the laws of equivalent exchange. And in both worlds of Fullmetal Alchemist and Python, the law of equivalent exchange reigns supreme. And as you delve deeper into Python, always remember, to gain something, something else must be sacrificed. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this out to your fellow alchemists. And I will check you all out the next one. Peace out, alchemists.